2017. I hope everyone had a happy 4th of July. Some celebration. We're probably all tired. So we're going to try to get through this as quickly as we can. My name is Beatrice Cazzo, Special Magistrate for the City of North Miami. The purpose of this hearing is to determine if a code violation exists at your property as observed and cited by a code enforcement officer of the city. If the city is not able to prove its case, then I will dismiss the case and you may leave. These proceedings are being recorded, therefore all persons who are speaking should do so one at a time to ensure that all testimony is clearly audible on the recording device. If English is not your primary language, then please inform me when I call your case. We have a translator who will assist you during the proceedings. When your case is called, the property owner, agent for the property owner, and any witness that you may have should come forward to the podium on the left side of the room. When asked, please speak directly into the microphone and say aloud your name, your business or mailing address, and your relationship to the property. If you are not the property owner or an attorney representing the property owner, then you must present a notarized power of attorney affidavit in order for your testimony to be taken on behalf of the property owner. For new cases, you will be asked for the record if you are aware of and understand the violation that is being heard today. And do you understand what is required to resolve the violation? Please answer accordingly. The city will present its case first, and then the property owner and or violator will be given an opportunity to testify on their own behalf, to bring forward witnesses to testify, to present evidence and photographs, and to cross-examine the city's witnesses. Following the case presentation, I will issue a finding of fact on the case. If I find that a violation of city codes exists or existed at your property, then depending on the case type, I will set an abatement date for the violation to be resolved. Or, for repeat violations, I will impose a daily fine amount. For new, non-repeat cases, my order will include an abatement date by which you must resolve the violation, and a daily fine amount that I may impose at a future hearing date should the violation not be resolved by the abatement date. If I find sufficient cause to postpone enforcement action at this time, I will table this case proceeding to another hearing date in the future. If you do not agree with my finding of fact and or ruling, then the property owner may appeal the administrative order on the case to the circuit court. An appeal must be filed within 30 days of the date of the execution of the administrative order to be appealed. In accordance with Florida statutes, if a person decides to appeal any decision made by the special magistrate with respect to any matter considered at these proceedings, then the person will need a verbatim record of the proceeding. This record includes the testimony and evidence upon which the appeal is to be based. The cost of obtaining the verbatim record shall be the sole responsibility of the appellant, and it is recommended that persons who plan to appeal their case should provide their own court reporter at these proceedings. Pursuant to city codes, if the city of North Miami prevails in prosecuting a case before the special magistrate, then the city shall be entitled to recover all costs incurred in prosecuting the case. The current cost assessment amount is $100 per case. Once the city records an order that imposes a fine and authorizes a lien against the property, then the city will charge additional administrative fees to record and release the lien. Now, if you are present and will be given testimony on a case, please rise and raise your right hand so the officer can administer the oath. What? Please rise and raise your right hand if you will be given testimony on a case, and remain standing for the Pledge of Allegiance.
Now, if you're giving testimony today on a case, please rise and raise your right hand as I issue the oath. Do you swear affirm?
Sir, he's sitting there raising it with his hands raised. All right, go ahead.
Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give in these proceedings will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? If so, say aloud, I do.
Please remain standing for the pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. For translators, do you solemnly swear or affirm that the translations which you are about to give in these proceedings will be accurate and correct to the best of your knowledge, skill, and ability? Say I do. Thank you. You may be seated.
Okay. Please announce for the record if there are any additions, deletions, and/or amendments to the hearing agenda.
Good evening. The deletions are as followed. Item number 1 and item number 2, Ada Cooper, case number CEXP 2017-0043, CEPFY 2017-00245, complied. Item number 3, CEJNK 2017-0046, Ada Venezuela, complied. Item number 4, CEPFY 2017-00387, Adeline Jude Christopher, complied. Item number 5 and item number 6, CEBPR 2017-0048, CEZPU 2017-0020, Alam Gir Hassan, postponed. Item number 8, CEJNK 2017-0034, Alicia Leviton, complied. Item number 9, CESRR 2017-0011, Amik Gramilio, complied. Item number 11, CEPFY 2017-00174, Anna Cummings, complied. Item number 14, CEFAW 2017-00059, Andres D. Piggott, complied. Item number 15, CEPFY 2017-00400, Angelette Pierre, complied. Item number 16, CEPFY 2017-00416, Anne Saint Amour, complied. Item number 17, CEGMP 2017-0034, Antoinette Etienne, postponed. Item number 18, CEBLR 2017-0010, Arivello, complied. Item number 19, CEGMS 2017-0001, Barnabas LeBron, complied. Item number 20, CEFAW 2017-0054, Bonnie Risk Singh, complied. Item number 21, CEPFY 2017-00258, Bruce Fairbanks, complied. Item number 22, CEPFY 2017-00284, Carlos Rodriguez, complied. Item number 26, CEPFY 2016-00833, Christina Brooks, complied. Item number 29, CEODS 2017-0071, Daniel Haynes, complied. Item number 30, CEPFY 2017-00355, Darren Coleman, complied. Item number 31, CEODS 2017-0069, Denise McHammond, complied. Item number 32, CEPFY 2017-00339, DL Sony, complied. Item number 34 and item number 35, 36, and 37, CEGMP 2017-0029, CEIVY 2017-0076, CEODS 2017-0053, CEPFY 2017-000196, EA Samuel Milligan, complied. Item number 39, CEPFY 2016-00822, Alberto Rivas, complied. Item number 40, 41, and 42, CEEXP 2017-0064, CEGMS 2017-0018, CEEXP 2017-0063, Eden, postponed. Item number 43, CEFAW 2017-0063, Edgar Augusto Martinez, complied. Item number 46, CEJNK 20170048, Emilio Gurlon, complied. Item number 47, CEMIS 20170018, Enoch Barron, complied. Item number 48, CEEXP 2017000108, Eric Stotts, complied. Item number 55, CEPFY 2016000823, Giovanni Garcia, complied. Item number 56 and item number 57, CESTA 20170002, CESTR 20170004, Goloskin, postponed. Item number 61, CEPFY 2017000365, Harry Brewer, complied. Item number 62, CEPFY 2017000347, Harry Whitemore, complied. Item number 64, CEGMS 20170037, Hector Martinez, complied. Item number 66, CEGMS 20170023, HSBC Banks, postponed. Item number 67, CEPFY 2017003330, Immacula Charles, complied. Item number 68, CEGMS 20160028, James St. Till, complied. Item number 69, CEPFY 2017000440, Janine Trainer, complied. Item number 71, CEEXP 2017000109, Jean Verrier, complied. Item number 73 and item number 74, CEPFY 2017000131, CEZPU 20170023, Jean Jeffty Joseph, complied. Item number 76, CEGMS 20160024, Jeff Rose, postponed. Item number 77, CEPFY 2016000821, Jeline Antoine, complied. Item number 80 and item number 81, CEIVY 20170059, CEODS 20170060, Jarrell Andre, complied. Item number 82, CERCV 20170052, Jose Castillo, complied. Item number 88, CEGMS 20160032, Kane, complied. Item number 90, CESOD SOV 20170047, Leslie Baloney, complied. Item number 91, CEJNK 20170045, Louis Jean, complied. Item number 92, CERCV 20170045, Lucia Vencio, postponed. Item number 95, CEIVY 2017000115, Luis Rodriguez, complied. Item number 99, CEEXP 20170072, Marie Connolly, complied. Item number 100, CENUS 20170023, Marsha Spencer, complied. Item number 101, CEFAW 20170058, Mary Lamont, complied. Item number 103, CERCV 20170060, Miguel Guerrero, complied. Item number 104, CEPFY 20170092, Moses Ellington, complied. Item number 105, CEPFY 2017000389, Montoga Pierre, complied. Item number 106, CEBPR 20170079, Nelson Aguilar, complied. Item number 108, CEGMS 20160018, Ofer Marshall, complied. Item number 110, CEPFY 20170023, Osmond Lewis, complied. Item number 101, GMP 2017.
111.
Well, sorry. Item number 111, CE GMP 2017-0008, Ufa Alamy complied. Item number 114, CEPFY 2017-000379, Raymond Guerrero complied. Item number 115, CERCV 2017-0062, Ramos Conception complied. Item number 116, CEPFY 2017-000270, Roberto Gutierrez complied. Item number 117, CEZPU 2017-0013, Rose Blot complied. Item number 120, CEBPR 2017-0063, Santiago Benzi postponed. As item number 121, CEMIS 2017-0024, Seymour Jones complied. Item number 122, CEPFY 2017-000332, Sony Alfred complied. Item number 123, CEODS 2017-0090, Tracy McKnight complied. Item number 126, CEPFY 2017-000422, Vanessa Belina complied. Item number 134, CEODS 2017-0078, Wilson Garkin complied. Item number 135, CERCV 2017-0058, Wesley Noel complied. And that completes all the deletions for now. And the additionals are item number 139 through 148. Customer Dixie Terrace Condo Association, and the permit number is MSVIO 2017-00406, MSVIO 2017-00408, MSVIO 2017-00409, MSVIO 2017-00410, MSVIO 2017-00145, MSVIO 2017-00416, MSVIO 2017-00420, MSVIO 2017-00423, MSVIO 2017-00425, and MSVIO 2017-00473.
Do you
And
have
to
any
begin with-
reports for those? Because I don't have the history of the additional. All right. If we're ready, call our first case, please.
Item number 45, Officer Shanna Sanders, customer Elitius Augustus, I don't know if I'm saying it right, and case number CEODS 2017-0066.
Did you say 45?
Yeah, item number 45.
Is anybody here? Yes,
Property
sir. Please
address
come forward.
1515 Northeast 136. You have to come up.
Sir? Over there.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Please
Ye-
tell us your full name.
Yeah, my name is Elidis Augusti.
Okay.
This is my wife, Adeline Augusti.
Okay.
Yeah, we here for the property of 1515 Northeast 136th Street,
Okay.
and we've been in this address since 1996.
No problem. Let me hear what the city has to say, and then I'll give you an opportunity to respond.
Okay.
Okay?
Oh,
You
that's
don't need a
fine.
translator, do you?
No, I don't.
Okay.
Shanna Sanders, City of North Miami Code Compliance Officer. This is a new case for items that are being outstored along the front, side, and rear of the property. I cited the property back in April where I met the gentleman. He stated that he was trying to send the items over to Haiti, asked me for maybe a month or so. I told him I would work with a month, but I couldn't give him 2 or 3 months. As of today, I do see some of the items were removed from the property, but it's still some more in the back. Some washers, dryers, a lot of miscellaneous stuff. I don't see visibly any life safety issues, but I do want to state that it's now hurricane season, so those items should be removed inside per our city ordinance. I am, of course, proper service has been given since the owner is here, but I'll let the owner explain why the items remain on the sides and in the rear of the property.
Can I
You
answer?
don't have any photographs to show?
Yes, I do.
Okay,
Mhm.
present your case, and then I'll give him an opportunity to respond.
You have to show them, not me, I think.
I show you first and then I show them.
You can see that.
Mr. Auguste?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, when she mean in front of the house, isn't the back of the house. The only public view is people that walk the dogs. I don't know what she do in the back of the house, because those things, we have a lot of trees in the back of the house, and sometimes we put the leaf in the boxes and we leave them until, if we put them before they pick them up, I think they're gonna talk about it, give us a ticket. So, and those things we cover them up because she do container. That was some person that sell thing because he has to move to Georgia, and we buy the thing from him, and we have to send him to Haiti. She do container. So I don't know which way to put these things, and she go there every day. I don't know what she do. And I have a question. Do we ever send someone to inspect their house, the people? Because people do their job, who end their job, they think they can do anything, and if you go to the house, the same thing happen. But it's not our fault because they're gonna go next month anyway. But it's only few bicycle and chairs and one washer and one drill we leave in the back. We don't know. We can even pay
When
the
were-
house. How can we rent storage to put these things? We don't have no place to put them.
When were these photographs taken?
These that you just looked at were today. And as I stated, he did move some of the items. It wasn't just on the side. There were mattresses leaning on the sides of the wall. There were some glass items that were in boxes, pallets that were leaning on the front side. And then the rear, it was bikes, lawnmowers, washing machines.
Because I'm seeing a lot of stuff based on the photographs that she's presented today, and she's saying that a lot have been removed, and we still have a lot of stuff out
There's not a
there.
lot. There's the bicycles and some chairs and a drill. You know the mattress she talking about, because my son he buy new things, and the mattress was, I think it was on the weekend, and they pick up on Tuesday. We cannot put them before they pick them up. So we left them. We cannot leave them inside. We put them in the side of the house.
The only thing is, if your neighbors are able to see them, or folks who are just pedestrian, or if they walk past your house and they see all this stuff outside the
We don't have-
property,
I
then
never don't bother us because one lady, the house, she live in the Bahamas. She's not here. The other one, they don't care. The only people who see them is her and the people
that's her
working the
job.
dog.
That's her. Okay, ma'am, if you're gonna be speaking, you can come forward and speak into the
She don't have to
microphone.
talk. She don't have to
Otherwise, you can sit and,
That's why I say, because I don't body.
speak into the mic.
That's why I say I don't body any my neighbor, because this is I'm by the house for by I put in the thing. Why I pay every month? I pay my house every month. I pay tax. I pay everything.
And your neighbors do
I
too,
need-
ma'am.
no,
Your
I don't have
neighbors do
neighbor.
too.
I
But
don't
if
have
you're
neighbor.
not keeping up with your property, then that affects their property values. It's her job to go around there to check and
Because-
make sure that everything is in place and where it's supposed to be. So you can't come here and say you pay your mortgage. So does everybody
yeah.
else. We all do. We definitely don't want to live next to someone who's just piling up, stuff just in their backyard, because that affects their property values.
In the back of
And
the
that's what's
house.
important. The city is trying to keep, you know, a certain standard. We all have to follow that.
Okay.
So if you have stuff basically in your backyard, whether or not the neighbor called or one of the code enforcement officers just happened to walk past your property and see it, it's her job. She's doing her job. Now, what are we gonna do with all this stuff that I just noticed on in the pictures?
We're gonna move them. We're gonna move them.
Okay.
These bicycles,
That's,
we're gonna move them. and put
Okay,
them somewhere.
that's all I need to hear, that it's gonna be moved, because, you know,
When
if
you
she,
gonna pass by on Sunday?
you don't pass by yesterday.
she's gonna,
Every
You
day.
don't pass by yesterday, you don't pass by
I will, I'm
today.
gonna give her, I'm gonna,
Can you give us
Because I,
so we can move them? Because we almost finished. We almost done.
okay,
that be,
All
because
right.
I put it this and the bag, that's this month I sell them to Haiti, okay? That's why I put it in the.
all right,
and
I just
put
don't
it
want
in the
any more
bag.
junk being sent
That's
to
it
Haiti.
back, and
No,
the
don't
fact-
send any more junk to
No,
Haiti,
it's
we
not
can't afford
junk.
it.
You don't see it. That's it. You
Okay.
don't see it. That's a good thing.
All right,
That's a
send
bicycle.
good things.
Yes.
Okay.
That's a bicycle and the stuff. That's it.
Okay, so
Okay,
long they're
bicycle.
good
They
stuff.
for the people. They what? The
Only good
children.
things, only
That's
good
it for
things.
children. That's a good thing.
That's
a
good.
chair. That's a chair. You put it in the bite and the tree. You
Okay.
that some people they sit.
Okay,
That's a, that only that thing and then the back and the back.
okay, I'm gonna give you till, what are we, July? August 1st.
August 1st.
Mr. August, what are you doing all the way back there?
You don't finish.
August 1st, you're gonna get it done by August 1st? What, a whole month?
I think.
I'm gonna do it by Wednesday because
I think I finished because I'm calling. They
Take
call-
August 1st.
I call them. They container come and their guy come and pick up for me this month.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Of course she
You know-
does. She
Yeah.
just, she doesn't, it's not personal. She's just doing her job. So you have till August 1st, clean up. She's gonna go by there, cause we have a hearing here on August 2nd. If it's not completely cleaned out, I
I
need to see you here on August 2nd. If it's
Everything.
clean, she'll take it off calendar.
every week.
you understand?
I wake in the tree. Every week I wake in the tree.
All right?
Tell
So,
them tree don't put the leaves and they
no problem. 30 days. Yes, you're free to go, Mr. August.
Item number 52, Officer Monica Frederick, customer Fritza Rose Charles, and case number CEPFY 2017-00318.
52. Good evening, sir. Please state your full name and relationship to the property.
Jeffrey Harrod. My mother owns the property. But she lives
Say
in
that
New
one
York.
more time, sir.
Jeffrey Harrod. But my mother owns the property, but she lives in New York. So
It's,
I
did
take
we
care
say
of the property.
52?
Yes.
Okay, so Fritza Charles, that's your mom?
yeah, I take care of the property. I live there.
Okay. All right. Let me hear what the officer has to say.
City of North Miami Code Compliance Officer Monica Frederick. This is a new case for parking on a front lawn violation. The violation was first noticed on May 2nd, 2017. It was mailed a notice to appear for this hearing on June 22nd, 2017, and it was posted for this hearing on June 28, 2017 at 1:53 p.m. The vehicle still remains parked in the same spot that it was when I first noticed the violation. I have a picture for your array.
But that's not the lawn. Because it says it's parked on the lawn, but it's not parked on the lawn. It's parked on dirt. I dug all the grass up. And then you get all that dirt from my dogs going under the truck.
So,
We lived in the house since '84, and we always parked there. It was never a problem, so I don't understand the situation. Cause I know my
was
neighbors.
there ever grass there?
Nope,
So what kind of material is this?
it's
This
just
dirt?
dirt. Cause the dog keep digging it up, and they use it as shade. I had a rock before they dug it all up.
So it was never a driveway.
No,
It was
because
never a driveway, but however, you can go back in records in Miami-Dade, and you'll see that it was grass there.
So basically, from parking there
over
for so
time,
long,
and then
over
he
time.
stated he has dogs, and the dogs dig it up. I mean, I've seen
But
it.
you see on the other side, there's grass perfectly fine on the yard where I cut.
I can't see the other side. I'm only going by the photograph, that one photograph that I have
Because
here.
that car, I always had cars there. And I cycle cars in and out of there. So I never knew it was a problem. I never knew I got neighbors who park on their lawn. I never knew it was a problem in North Miami or Miami.
Yeah, you're not supposed to park on your lawn.
And I never got, I got that notice on the fence. I never got no other notice. So it's saying it's going to New York. That's basically a waste of time. It needs to come to the house.
Well, the address that's in Miami-Dade property appraisal page, I'm guessing that's your mom's address in New York, and I can only go by that address
But I got this notice, it was on my fence, so how come I didn't get another notice on my fence?
because I have to also post the property.
And I'm
She
saying this is my
posted and she
first one.
mails it.
This is my first one I got on the fence on Friday.
The mother has the other one.
You saying that initially when she came, this
I never
was-
got no other notice about that. I got notice about a car
The
on the
hearing?
outside of the yard, how it was parked. I fixed that, but I never knew it was a problem with the truck parked inside the yard.
Magistrate, the way the notices go out for parking on front lawn violations, the initial notice is mailed out to the property owner. That would be Ms. Charles.
But she just said that she puts a notice on the fence too.
Can I
That's the
finish,
second
sir?
part.
Okay, go ahead. I'm listening.
After that, we go through the 30-day process. They don't respond. Okay, it goes to a hearing. So our Madam Clerk, she goes ahead and she preps the certified notice that needs to be mailed out to Ms. Charles. And then once she does that and the hearing comes up, the notice to appear gets posted to the property.
You understand?
Yep.
Okay. All right, so you have a swell area that you can park?
The SWAT area is occupied by 3 other vehicles that he has.
How many vehicles do you have, Mr. Charles?
Enough.
You're gonna have
But
to
the
do
ones
something.
outside are not mine, because technically I had people would stay at the house too, were coming out, so some of their cars are there too. But I never knew about inside the yard being a problem.
Yeah, unless you, put a driveway.
No, but that requires getting a permit.
Huh?
That requires getting a permit and doing other
Yes.
stuff. This is why, because the guy who did it first, he told me I could put rocks down without getting a permit because it wouldn't be a permanent structure. And he said that wouldn't be a problem to park on there because it's not permanent.
I think they
wouldn't need a
changed
permit.
that.
They
didn't
changed that back
Jen?
in 2009. The ordinance changed where residents cannot put down peat rock anymore. You either have to obtain a permit to get an asphalt driveway or a concrete driveway.
So basically, I got to get a permit, pay you guys money to put a driveway.
Not me. I wish you would. Not me.
City, no Miami. You representing them, that's all. That's a conspiracy. That's like, you can't win in this situation.
Not as if it improves your property. How do you?
What's wrong with peat rock and all this stuff? It looks nice. And it's cheaper.
All right, Mr. Charles, I'm giving you 30 days to move the car.
If I get a permit,
If you get a permit, you still can park there. You pull a permit so you can put the driveway.
all right, so it has to be, I can't put blocks down. It has to be poured concrete.
He can go to the building and zoning department and let them know what type of material you want to use, and they'll let you know if it's acceptable or not. But to my knowledge, it's only asphalt and concrete.
All right.
Okay?
And I agree with the lady before about the trees,
Mhm.
that you guys need to do something about the trees, because it's getting kind of crazy. Well, hope you guys have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Item number 33, Officer Crystal Cordo, customer Diane Harden, case number CEEXP 2017-0094.
Good evening. Please state your full name and relationship to the property.
Diane Harden, owner. We're the owners.
Are you going to be speaking, sir?
I'm her husband.
Okay. What is your name?
Alan.
Okay.
Officer Crystal Cordo, City of North Miami Code Compliance. This is a new case with reference to exterior paint. The resident was initially cited for exterior paint back on April of 2017. And as of today, the property still hasn't been painted. I happened to run into her last week when I was posting the property for the notice to appear. And she said that they had everything they needed to paint, but I asked her to at least try to get started before the hearing, before the hearing date, but she hadn't done anything yet, so I'm not sure what's going on.
All right, ma'am?
Yes, we've pressure cleaned the house, and now we're ready to paint.
Okay.
We've got the wood from Home Depot, everything's ready to go.
All right. You think that's gonna happen within the next couple of weeks?
I'd like to get as much time as possible so that I can get it done.
All right, in this case, then I enter an adjudication. I find in favor of the city. I will give you 60 days, which brings us to September 5th. And if it's not done, I expect to see you back here on September 6th. And again, unless, there are some circumstances that prevented you from doing the work, at which point we can talk about possibly extending the date. But if not, there will be a daily fine amount of $200.
We had some people come out and they didn't finish the job, so we found some new people to do it, and it's gonna work out fine.
Okay. All right, no problem. If it's done, then obviously get in touch with the code enforcement officer and she can close out the case, and then you won't have to be back here on September 6th.
How do I get in touch with her?
I guess you can give your card.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Good. Thank you.
All right. Have a good evening.
Thank you, you too.
Okay.
Item number 59, Officer Shanna Sanders, customer Harriet White, case number CEFOB 20170005.
Tell me the page number again.
Page number 4, but item number 59.
59. Who's here on this, guys? Durham, Miami-Dade County? Sir?
Yeah, hi.
Please state your full name and relationship to the property.
My name is Israel Shadetov. I'm the tenant at the property.
Okay.
This is for the FOB. Shanna Sanders, City of North Miami Code Compliance Officer. This is a new case for failure to obtain a business tax receipt in the City of North Miami. I first started the property back in April 19th. Spoke to two employees at the property, who I believe at that time called the business owner, who could be him. I'm not sure. I never spoke to anyone over the phone. But they said that they would take care of it within the next couple of days. Nothing transpired. Went back out May 10th, went back out May 21st. As of June 19th, no applications have been submitted to the city. Nothing has been obtained. As of the day when I looked at the computer, nothing has even been submitted to the city. I apologize, I didn't hear if this gentleman said he was the business owner or not. But I guess I'll let him explain why the business is open and they have no business tax receipt in the City of North Miami.
Yeah,
Is this item 59?
Yes.
I think that's what she said, yes.
Sir, what did you say your name is?
Israel Shadetov.
And you're with Durham, Miami-Dade County? Why is
No.
it printing as Durham?
I'm showing Harriet,
that's
Harriet
what I'm
White. What do you
Huh?
show?
That's what I'm showing on here.
Harriet White.
Harriet.
Unless you're giving a wrong page, hold on.
One 14220 Northeast 18th.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. This was printed today. I printed this today.
It's the
Okay,
Um,
it's just printing here. Here it has the right name.
Which
But
one?
here it's giving me Durham,
the,
Miami-Dade County. I
on the
was
action
wondering
report.
why we would
same
have
Durham.
Durham, Miami-Dade County here. But, okay, I'm sorry, sir.
Sure. Can I respond?
Yes, please.
First, I'm terribly sorry that I didn't take care of it in a timely manner. I came down to the city here and then to the code compliance office trying to reach Mrs. Sanders. I was here like 3 times. The 2 gentlemen that were with me, they're not with me anymore. We've gone through some difficulties in our operation. I want to be compliant. I want to do whatever needs to be done so I can take care of it.
Okay. You're gonna be able to do that within a month, in the next couple of weeks, really?
If you
Are you still going through a separation between the partners? Is that, you're gonna
Yes,
change your names? Is that what's going on?
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly what happened.
Okay,
So,
so that's gonna take a while?
I'll take care of it right away. Hopefully, I can, the paperwork that's needed, I should be able to provide it. Me and my wife will come down here and take care of it. But you can give me the maximum amount of time, but I should, within the next few days, it should be resolved completely.
All right. Okay, so I'll intern adjudication, fine in favor of the city. I'll give you 60 days.
Thank you. And do I need to reach Mrs. Sanders or?
Yes, so that she can check, you'll be able to check your system. to see
Yeah,
what-
I mean, you can reach me, that's fine, but I can also check in our computer to see once anything is submitted or obtained.
So just go downstairs to that office, the county clerks, whatever it's called. Is that where I need to go?
To obtain the business tax receipt, you can visit, the city clerk's office. You're gonna have to obtain, I don't know if you even took any steps to obtain the certificate of use, so you might need to also visit community planning and development, both departments.
Okay. Whatever is needed, I'll take care of it, hopefully this week.
All right, so if not, well, I give you your abatement date is September 5th.
Okay.
If it's not resolved, I expect to see you back here on September 6th. And again, if it's not resolved, there will be a daily fine amount of $150.
Okay.
So,
It's
trying to
gonna
get
be
it resolved.
Thank you. I really appreciate your time.
All right, sir, thank you. Good evening.
Item number 63, Officer Crystal Cordo, customer Hector Martinez, case number CEGMS 20170022.
Translator? You need an interpreter? Okay, huh? Yes? Okay. Good evening, sir. Please state your full name and relationship to the property.
Claudio Martínez.
¿Y cuál es, qué relación tiene con la propiedad?
Él es mi tío, el dueño de la casa.
My uncle is the owner of the house.
Okay.
City of North Miami, Crystal Cordo, Code Compliance Officer. This issue is reference, the roof, the garage door was broken, the roof was, and I think they may have had some trees and stuff like that that was kind of overhanging on top of the roof, kind of causing it to have an appearance of uncleanliness. The garage door was severely damaged for quite some time. I initially cited them back in March. Today I went by, they did some, makeshift stuff, I guess for the sake of for the hearing today. I can show you the photos. It didn't appear to be in compliance.
Go ahead, show the pictures to the property owner and then forward them.
¿Esta es su propiedad? Yes.
The bottom of it was, and you could see it's not, door isn't
Yeah.
leveled, and they did some stuff put some white boards at the bottom of it there.
Mm-hmm.
But I get quite a few complaints about the property, and I can't ever get in touch with the owner. There seems to be several people living there, and I can't get anyone to have him get in touch with me specifically.
All right. Sir, do you understand the violation?
¿Entiende la violación? I do.
Okay. You said this property belongs to your uncle?
Esa propiedad es de su
Okay.
tío. Yes.
All right. Is your uncle around?
Él está por aquí.
No, no, está aquí ahorita, no.
He
Él
is,
no está.
he is not.
All right. Okay, because you do understand that there's an issue with the roof.
Porque
que usted entiende hay un problema, alguna
It needs
problemita
to
con
be
el techo.
cleaned.
Sí, pero debajo del garaje hay un árbol grande. Tú lo
Ah.
soplas, le das blower hoy y 3 días está lleno de hojas. O sea,
Well,
no make sense porque está en temporada que las hojas caen, ¿no?
Underneath the garage, there's a tree, and if you use a blower, you know, you clean all the leaves, but after just a few days, it's back again.
Okay, so he has,
La puerta del garaje sí necesita reemplazarse.
The garage door needs to be changed, yes.
okay. So you're saying there's a tree, what is it, like, a overhang?
I think that there was, again, I cited them originally back in March. It looks like they might have trimmed the tree because I think the tree was actually like laying kind of on top of the roof. As you can see in the photo right above the garage, there seems to be a little bit of an indentation there. Like maybe they have some roof damage or what have you. But it looks like the tree, I didn't notice the tree there today. So it looks like they may have trimmed it. So if they just can clean the roof and, regardless of whether there's leaves.
Well, I don't know. I don't know where I said I know. I'm assuming that the door might take a little longer, but in terms of the roof,
Yo
how
pienso que-
soon do you need to clean the roof?
Bueno, tal vez la puerta toma un tiempo largo, y para limpiar el techo, ¿cuánto tiempo le toma?
No, eso son 10 minutos con
That'll take me 10 minutes with a blower.
cuando ella pasó.
Well, okay, the blower is just for the leaves, right?
Pero el blower solamente es para
We're
las hojas,
talking
¿verdad?
pressure cleaning.
No se puede dar pressure cleaner porque es de. No es
Are we
tile,
pressure
es-
cleaning
es
or
Yes.
we need to
shingle,
pressure
puede
I
clean?
don't know
hacer-
what they
can-
can
it
do. It
cannot-
just didn't look clean.
It cannot be used pressure cleaner because it is not a tile, it's a shingle.
Entonces lo rompería el pressure cleaner.
The pressure cleaner would break it.
Okay, so with that, to clean that, do you need to paint it over?
Entonces, para
What do you
limpiarlo,
need to do to clean that?
¿tendría que pintarlo otra vez? O?
No, una superficie de shingle no lo puedes dar pressure cleaner. Al no poder darle pressure cleaner no lo puedes lavar. Y si lo lavas no puedes pintar encima del sucio porque la pintura no sirve entonces.
Well, you cannot use a pressure cleaner on a shingle, and also you cannot paint it on top of it because it does not work.
Porque está sucio. Toda la
Ah.
pintura no va a trabajar.
And that is dirty, and the paint would not stick.
Okay. All right, City. How do you clean that?
Lo que puedo
What
hacer es
does he need to do?
¿Qué
Okay.
quiere que haga? Le está preguntando.
No,
Él-
le
él
puedo
es-
pasar,
Unfortunately, I'm not a roof expert. I don't know what they need to do to clean it.
I can use a blower.
What will the blower do? And I'm asking because I'm trying to understand.
Bajo el techo
Ujú.
hay un árbol de 500 años, un roble. Y es temporada que la hoja se cae, pues.
Underneath the roof, there's a 500-year-old oak tree, and you know it is the time of the year when the leaves fall, and that is the reason.
Okay. I'm not seeing leaves right now. What
Aquí.
I'm seeing looks like dirt. Am I correct? I don't want to
because-
put
Yeah.
words in your mouth.
Because
Yeah,
we
it
cleaned it.
it just appeared to be unclean. I don't know what they need to do to clean it. I'm not familiar with the material.
All right, so what I'm gonna do is give him some time to go to building
Maybe.
department and
Right.
inquire from them what needs to be done. I'm sure you probably, if you get a general contractor or whatever, they'll probably
Voy a darle un tiempo para que
advise
usted
you as
vaya
to what
a
needs
la
to be
ciudad
done.
y
Right
para que
now,
pregunte qué se puede hacer.
I don't want to make any assumptions because I don't know.
En este momento yo no quiero decidir ninguna cosa porque yo no sé.
Usually we tell folks, pressure clean the roof and then, call the code enforcement officer and then she'll go drive by
Normalmente
to
le
make
decimos
sure that
nosotros,
everything is
limpie con
well.
pressure cleaner
and then
y
close
después
out the
llamen
case.
a la gente
In this
para que le
situation, you
verificar,
said
pero en
it
este
cannot
caso,
be
usted
pressure
dice que
cleaned,
no se
it
puede
cannot be painted over,
limpiar con
so
pressure cleaner,
I'm
no
the
se puede
wrong
pintar,
person
entonces yo no soy la persona correcta.
to give any advice or order as to what needs to be done.
You are right, because painting is my job.
Right, so,
La única forma es reemplazando el techo
The only way would be to change the roof,
y vale 10,000 cañas.
and
Y yo lo tengo.
that's $10,000 bucks.
yeah,
and
that's
I
gonna
don't have
take,
it.
that's gonna take some money. like I said, I'm gonna give you a little bit of time.
Bueno.
Sir, listen,
Escúcheme,
listen.
Voy a darle un tiempo.
I'm gonna give you 30 days.
Voy a darle 30 días.
30 days, because I don't want to make a decision that's going to, obviously, whatever decision that I make is going to affect you,
Yo no quiero
or,
ver ninguna
well,
decisión
basically your
que usted
uncle, because
le
since he's
vaya a
the owner of
afectar
the
o a su tío,
property,
porque él es el dueño de la propiedad.
okay? The
bien.
roof is dirty.
El
We
techo
need
está
to figure
sucio.
out what's gonna
Usted
work.
tiene que pensar qué es lo que puede funcionar.
We played around with the idea of pressure cleaning it. You said that's a no-no.
Hemos dicho que
We
pressure
talked about
cleaner
painting
no
it
es
over. You
posible,
said that's a
y
no-no.
pintarlo, usted dice que no es posible.
So I want to give you an
Así que
opportunity to
voy a darle
speak to
la oportunidad
someone
para que hable con alguien,
so that we can figure out what's the best cause of action.
para que podamos ver qué es lo mejor que se puede hacer.
Yo le voy a hacer un bleaching. Está viejito el techo, pero voy a ver cómo funciona eso.
I'm going to bleach it. The roof is dirty, but let's see how that works.
Y referente a la puerta, me pusieron una multa de $250, dígale.
And about the door, I was given a $200 fine for that.
Entonces, en vez de ayudarme, más bien me perjudicaron más.
But instead of being helped, actually, it is against myself.
I'm sorry, I missed that.
It is against myself instead of being helped.
Porque se estaba reuniendo el dinero para cambiar la puerta del garaje porque valen $800.
I was getting the money in order to change the garage. That is $800.
Ahora más una multa de $250 que pusieron, ya se hace como más un poco difícil.
Now with that fine, $250, that gets a little bit more difficult for me.
Okay. Well, I was gonna table it for him for 30 days. Otherwise, I can enter an adjudication and give him 90 days.
I guess
If
it
the
depends
city
on how
doesn't
much
have
ti-
any. Okay.
It depends on how much time he needs, I guess, to get the door fixed. He's
Sir, are you able to do it within 60 days?
¿Lo podría hacer eso en 60 días? 60.
Vamos a tratar.
I'm going to try.
Okay. So let's do that, and with a notation that, if he needs more time,
Bueno, hagamos eso.
then we can
Entonces veremos
discuss it
después de
then.
eso si hace falta más tiempo.
I'll do an adjudication,
Y
and
voy a
I'll do 60 days.
adjudicar.
Sir,
le
you
doy
have until
60
September
días.
5th to get it done.
Tiene hasta septiembre 5 para
Okay.
terminarlo. ¿Está bien?
If not, I will
Okay.
see you back here on September 6th.
Si no, voy a tener que verlo aquí en septiembre 6.
If it's
Okay.
not. Did somebody say something?
Okay, he said.
Está bien.
I'm sorry? What is? Huh? Oh. If not, I will see you back here on September 6th.
Si no, lo voy a ver otra vez en
There will be a
septiembre 6.
daily fine amount.
Y a partir de esa
And I
fecha
do
habrá
understand
una
that
multa
everything is
diaria.
costly, but we're
puedes-
trying to get this
Puede ser muy
done
caro porque cada día se sube.
as quickly as possible.
I understand.
And if it's not done, sir, there will be a daily fine amount of $200.
Si no está hecho para esa fecha, habrá una multa diaria de $200.
So it's important for you to try to
Así
get
que
this done
es
sooner
importante
rather than
que
later.
usted trate de hacerlo lo más antes
And
posible.
it's also important, if it's not
Y
done, that you're
también
back here on
es
September
importante
6th.
que si no está hecho, tiene que estar aquí en la fecha en el 6, como lo dijo.
Any questions?
¿Alguna pregunta?
No, que por esa parte estamos bien, dígale.
I'm fine with that.
Okay, sir. Good luck to you.
Bueno, buena suerte.
Yo respeto el trabajo de ellos,
I respect their work.
pero que al frente de la casa, la acera, se está broken hace 14 años, nunca repararon.
Well, in front of the house, the sidewalk has been broken for 14 years and it has not been repaired.
Alguien se cae
For
de-
14 years?
14 años?
Sí,
Yes.
y no la mía y la del vecino, y es una área bien larga. O sea,
And-
por mí, si alguien camina, se cae, le mete una demanda a la ciudad.
And it's a large area. If someone falls, the city is going to be sued.
Que es muy importante, así como hacen el trabajo ellos, viendo las casas las casas de los owners, que también vean los postes, las luces, los sidewalls, que algunos están dañados.
Well, her job is important. She does that work, her work, but also they need to do the work. The sidewalks, the light poles, and everything else.
I understand.
Entiendo.
You're right.
Muchas gracias, dígale, por su
Okay.
You're
very-
right. Thank you,
very
sir.
much.
All right, have a good evening. Well, he just put the city on notice.
Item number 65, Officer Monica Frederick, customer Jacqueline and Orlin Torres. Case number CEFAW 2017-00066.
Good evening. Please state your full name in relationship to the property.
My name is Jacqueline Torres, and I'm the owner.
Tell me your name. What's the name again?
Orlin Torres.
Paulie.
Orlin. O-R-L-I-N.
Okay, I understand that, but I'm going by this. And every time I pull one of these, it's giving me the wrong information. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, what page number? Is it 65?
Page number 5.
Huh?
It's 65.
65? Yeah, same thing here. It's telling me Nissan. Okay, so Mr. and Mrs. Torres, right? Is the address 1635 Northwest 124th Street?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, this didn't print right this time around. Mr. and Mrs. Torres. Okay, go ahead.
City of North Miami Code Compliance Officer Monica Frederick. This is a new case for fences and walls violation. The property was first noticed on June 4th, 2017. It was mailed a certified notice to appear on June 22nd, 2017. And it was posted for this hearing on June 30th, 2017 at 11:50 a.m. I recently got in contact with the property owner, and she stated that she didn't receive the notices until I came to the property and posted it, and that was a week before we actually came to the hearing. So she did state that she is working on it.
Okay, so they basically just need to remove the wooden fence?
And replace it with the actual iron. And she said that she had already purchased the new piece that's supposed to go there.
Okay. Do they need a permit?
No, because it's already existing.
Okay. All right.
We are, they're building the gate, so we
We
need
just need 30 days, that's it.
Okay.
for them to finish.
All right. Let's give him 30 days. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Item number 89, Officer Monica Frederick, customer Kenya Rose. Case number CEPFY 2016-00834.
Good evening. Please state your full name for the
Buenos días, su
record.
nombre completo.
Kenia Urroz.
Kenia Oro.
All right.
City of North Miami Code Compliance Officer Monica Frederick. This is a new case for a parking on the front lawn violation. The property was first noticed on November 22nd, 2016. The property was mailed a certified notice to appear for this hearing on June 22nd, 2017, and it was posted a notice to appear at the property on June 26, 2017 at 10:45 a.m.
A las 10:45 de la mañana. Sí, allá, y le vamos a una. ¿Es su casa? Yes.
That picture was taken today after 2 p.m.
All right, ma'am. Do you understand the violation?
¿Entiende la violación, señora?
Sí.
Yes.
Okay. So, how soon are you going to remove this vehicle?
¿En cuánto tiempo va a quitar el vehículo?
Está ya para
30
repararlo.
days. I need to repair it.
Huh?
I need 30 days to repair the vehicle.
To repair it? Okay. All right, I'll do an adjudication 30 days.
Bueno, estoy adjudicando el caso y le estoy dando 30 días. Thank you.
If it's not removed, I'm not finished. If it's not removed, there will be a daily fine amount of $100.
Si no está hecho en 30 días, entonces recibirá
Right
una
here.
multa diaria de $100. We'll junk it before that.
Okay. All right, bye.
Have a nice day.
You too, sir.
Item number 97 and item number 98, Officer Monica Frederick, customer Macedon Regnier, case number CEGMP 2017-0020 and CEMIS 2017-0017.
All right. This case is back here again.
You got two now.
Good evening, sir. Please state your full name for the record. Your full name, sir? Your name?
My name is Eli Renier. I'm the son of the property owner.
Oh, okay.
City of North Miami Code Compliance Officer Monica Frederick. This first case for the minimum housing standards was previously adjudicated. I went out to the property today after 2 p.m. and I seen that he had started to move 2 of the vehicles, but 2 of the vehicles were not moved. So
Can you speak a little louder? I can't. Sorry.
no problem. I went out to the property today after 2 p.m. and I seen that you moved 2 of the vehicles, but 2 other vehicles in the rear had not been moved. So did you move? Did you move them?
I'm trying. When I say I'm trying, look, if you see, if you only know how much I'm trying. You know, right now, my wife is in the Bahamas, and I'm here. You see what I'm saying? Enjoying my grandkids when I could have been enjoying them. I'm here trying to see if I can resolve this. Okay? Last month when I was there, all right,
If you had told me you had plans to go to the Bahamas, we could have worked something out. You didn't say anything.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
We want you to be able to go to the
You know,
Bahamas and
I-
enjoy your grandkids.
I don't want to be charged with bribery, you know, trying to.
Well, it wouldn't be bribery. I can't be bribed. It would not have been bribery. It would have been, that I need.
You know, I mean, I'm okay. I know sometimes she might feel like I'm defying her because when she passed, she said, "Oh, they haven't done it. They haven't complied." You know who? Oh, I'm a magistrate. I was weighing 170 pounds. Now I'm 127 pounds.
Well, we don't want you losing weight over this.
Right? No, it's not that. It's like I said. It's trying. Okay, I put a number on every item. Okay, this if you see on the side by where the garbage bin, if you see that long piece of gate, I'm trying to. Of course, I want to put those garbage bin behind the gate. Because it's a distraction when people are coming to the garbage right in front of the bio gate. I want to put it behind it, but then it's either pay my light bill or pay the city utility so that they don't turn off my water or whatever it is, or ignore the garbage bin for now. And try, you see, and now when I got my Social Security on Monday, I was able to go buy this. You see what I'm saying? So it's the order of things, anyway. Oh, I got a note from her with the top that I had on the roof.
That's the
She
next.
said, "Oh, I have to remove the top by the next inspection, and have the roof repaired." If I had it, the roof would have been repaired 12 years ago when my mom passed away. You see what I'm saying? So I can only do things according to what your pocket is capable of doing. You see, so I'm trying. But, give me a few more days, okay? Oh, sorry, magistrate. give me a few more days. I need to do this before the 18th. I'm going out of here by the 20th to see if I could recuperate myself before school open, so I don't have to go at your kids when they come back to me when school open and stuff in August. You see what I'm saying? So I need to go recharge my battery, you know.
I understand.
So I won't need this when school opens.
I understand. Now, what's taking so long to just remove a couple of vehicles? Why is that taking so long? Why do you need extra time to be able to?
I have I hate to call people no good, but I have a nephew who is staying by me. The car that you see that is not completely turned around is his. He is in Atlanta. I've been trying to get. That's his own. You see, so I'm trying to. I'm looking all over the pictures if I can even find the key to see if I could turn it around, but I cannot find it. You see, so he's supposed to be back in town by the 12th of July. I hope by then I can solve that. You know, it's
Okay, so you are almost in compliance.
I'm trying.
You just have, is that one vehicle or two?
It's two vehicles.
Okay, so you said one of the vehicles belonged to your nephew who lives in Atlanta?
Yes, he should be back here by the 12th of July. You see.
Magistrate, would you also like for me to present the second case so you can rule together?
Yes. But I see the effort. I see effort on your part.
Oh yeah, it's there.
The second case is for a general maintenance of properties. It's regarding the tarp that has been placed on the roof along with the sandbags. The property was first noticed on March 23rd, 2017. It was mailed a certified notice to appear on June 22nd, 2017, and the property was posted for this notice to appear on June 30th, 2017. I have a picture for your array.
Sure.
That's a new town. Yeah, yeah. I'm trying to.
What's going on the roof there, sir?
New tops that I put on the roof trying to stop leakage.
So you have a leak.
Pardon me?
You have a leak.
All right, let's say where the roof
What it
wall
means.
come here.
Mm-hmm.
So
It's leaking somewhere there. Okay.
right now, I cannot call a roofer to come and do that because the property is not in my name. It's still in my parents' name. It have to go through probate.
Mm-hmm.
You see what I'm saying? Right now, I'm trying to keep those those buzzers away. Because I'm getting all these letters. Oh, we can. You know what I'm saying? Because it's so I'm trying to keep the house from being.
I understand. So you inherited your
Well,
parents,
Well, when my mom passed away, she did not leave a will.
right?
So therefore, it's me, my sister, and my niece. My brother passed away a few years ago. So I'm trying to
Maintain the property. At the same time, there's a lot of issues, and some of them are not able to be resolved without first going through the probate court, which is going to cost you money. Fixing the roof is going to cost money, and then and you're probably a little reluctant about putting money into the property, not knowing whether or not it's going to be yours.
No, but you see, I've been
So-
doing it since my mom passed away because let me tell you the logic of it. Even if I don't gain possession of it, at least it will remain in the family. I have kids, I have niece, I have grandnephews and grandnieces. You see, this is my logic of it. Because I'm going to be 68 in a few weeks. So therefore, I know I'm not going to be here forever, but at least the kids I'm going to get access of food. When my grandkids come from Nassau, at least there's a place where they can go. And, this is my logic of it. So I've been doing it. But, it's just that
But do you feel like now it's probably overwhelming because there's a lot of work that needs to be done? The roof, that needs to be taken care of for two reasons. One, obviously because of the leak, if you have water coming through, that's one issue. The other issue is the tarp cannot remain there for too long.
Oh, no.
I mean, aesthetically, it doesn't look good.
I'm aware of that. You see, I have spoken to the other department in the city. The young lady told me, bring some pictures to her, and then she will look at the pictures and determine whether or not I can get a permit from the city to do some repair, not to replace the roof, but she said based on the percentage of the repair that have to be done, maybe I may be able to get a permit from the city to do the repair at the base where the wall and the roof
Meet. Okay, so how long? Because, sir, I'm a little concerned. I feel like we have the car issues. The car really should have been resolved, but I do understand that one of the vehicles belonged to one of your nephews, but the car should not really be an issue, and I'm surprised that it's taken this long for us to get that issue resolved. But now the most important issue for us now is really the roof.
Okay, yeah.
So you're going to go away for a little bit, and then soon you're going back to work.
I will be back on the 10th of August. School open on the 21st. As after the 21st, I will be able to resolve that because a few, will be coming in. So
okay, so you'll be working and you're going to have a little bit of money?
To come in to get that resolved, you see.
Okay. So then I have to enter an adjudication because I see that we're looking towards 60 days. All right, so I'm going to have the two cases run together. So I will enter an adjudication, which means I'm ruling in favor of the city because I find that the violation does exist. And I will give you 60 days, which brings us to September 5th. Okay? If it's not resolved, I'm expecting to see you back here on September 6th, right?
Yes.
So on September 6th, we can take up this issue again and see where we are. And if it's resolved, great, because then the officer can go by there and see that all is well. We don't have to come back here.
I would rather be somewhere else than here.
I'm sure you do.
I know you have to be here, but I would prefer to be somewhere.
I am sure.
Yeah.
So, all right, adjudication, abatement date September 5th, and daily fine amount, sir, will be $150
After September.
after September 5th.
Thank you very much, Your Magistrate.
All right, sir, have a good
All right,
evening
same
and
to
good
you.
luck to you and enjoy the Bahamas and
No, ma'am. On the 20th, I'm going to Haiti for 3 weeks.
okay.
Doing some bouillon and, try to regain myself. Thank you.
That's right. Enjoy. But do take care of this issue here, please. You can't exit that way anymore. This is locked. Go this way.